welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my Child of the 80s Project Pan update. This is a PANtastic Ladies collab. It was created by Jaylon. She is brilliant. This project is so awesome. I just absolutely love it. I hope it comes back next year. Hint, hint, hint. It is all about 80s like pop culture, and if you grew up in the 80s, you understand, or if you were a child in the 80s like I was, you know that some of these references, they just bring back the memories, and I love it. I love nostalgia. It's awesome. So she has 40 prompts that have everything to do with the 80s, which is awesome. And can I say awesome enough? Was that a word in the 80s? I think it might have been. Anyway, we pick, I believe it's 8 at a time, which makes sense because 8 80s. And we pick them randomly, and we have to pick a product for whatever prompts we get. And yeah, it's really cool. So it is a year-long project, and everyone that has joined in, I'm gonna have them listed down below. I'm kind of like giddy. I love this project so much. And let's get into the products, because I do have one empty, which means I will have to roll in a new product. I have already done that. I did a screen record of me doing the number on Pretty Random, which I will insert when we get to that point. And yeah, so I've already done that, and I'm happy about it. All right, first one of what I had rolled over for 33, that was shoulder pads. Oh, those are products that amplify, like a mascara, highlighter, a glitter, anything like that. I chose mascara just because it was easy, and it was a rollover from last year, and it's still going. This is the Essence Lash Princess Volume Mascara. I kind of feel like if it's not done the next update, it should be the one after that, because it's not giving me as much amplification as I would like. So we will see how that one plays out in the next month before the next update. For number 9, it is Star Wars, which is funny because we just had May the 4th be with you, and we did a Star Wars movie with the kids that night. So that was a lot of fun. Star Wars is something glittery. I have the ColourPop glitter gel in Break the Ice. Making very slow progress on that. Our weather here is, it's cold and rainy one day, and then the next day it's not necessarily rainy, but it's still kind of on the chilly side, and then we'll have like in the low 80s, and then a day after that it'll be cold and rainy. It's just Mother Nature, she's got some issues right now. So once I'm in tanks and stuff more often, you will see like more glitter to you know, have some fun with. But right now I'm not at that point. That will start to really get a lot of use when it's hot outside. For number 27, the Smurfs, it's something blue or something with blue packaging. I had a lip balm, and I hated the packaging, so I put it in here. I was going to melt this down and put it in another like lip balm tube, but I actually used that for a different Franken for another project, so now I have to wait for that to get done before I can do this one, and you know how that goes. Jessica's life is crazy busy. For number 10, 16 candles, which, does anyone else think that number 16 should have been 16 candles? Is it just me? I don't know. So number 10, 16 candles, a product that makes all your wishes come true. And, well, this makes my hair wishes come true. This is the Not Your Mother's Naturals Matcha Green Tea and Wild Apple Blossom Butter Mask for your hair. I love it. I love it so much. You know I have to smell it every single time. Even when it's empty, when I'm doing it in my empties videos, I'm going to be smelling it. This was 116 grams. Last time it is 98 grams. I should show you what it looks like on the inside. It's going to take a second. Look at that. It's like right down to the bottom. I can't believe it's not done. And I think the only reason it's not done is because my hair is about 4 inches shorter, and it just didn't feel like it needed as much, probably because I got like the ends off that weren't feeling that great, and I just don't have as much hair, and I'm thinking about going a little bit shorter. I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I take a little bit more off? Maybe a couple more inches? Maybe. So yeah, I think that's going to be done next time. Number 16, ironic that the next one was a number 16. The Lost Boys, it's a black or vampy item. I chose black because even though I have an eyeshadow that's called vampy, I got too many eyeshadows going on. So I got my black here. This is the Jessica Nails Phenomenal Oil. I love it. This is a usage. I'm trying to use it 20 times. I am such a slacker. I've only used it 3 times, which is sad. It's such a good product. I'm just a slacker. Next is number 28, Nintendo. It's something that's fun to play with. I chose an eyeshadow out of my Coastal Scents 88 palette, and I chose bright red because red is fun. And of course I'm not wearing it today, but I put it in this pan just to make my life a little bit easier. I've got some progress on it, but it is not done by any stretch of the imagination. Hopefully I'll have a pan on it by the next update. Number 5, what's love got to do with it? And that is a product that you find average, boring. I took it from the Coastal Scents 88 palette. I haven't even put it in another pan yet just because it's so bland. It's probably going to end up frankened. It is this shade right here. I have a little bit of usage on it from frankening, and yeah. It's either going to like go all in or just, you know, be used a little bit at a time. So, you know, we'll see how that goes. And the last one, which is my empty, and I brought it in last update. That is for number 37, Lace, and that is something sheer. For me, I chose a moisturizer because it is sheer on your face. You don't really see it once you've applied it. This is the Instant Natural Vitamin C Moisturizer. Did not have a ton left in it. It was actually, ironically enough, a graveyard product that I put in just before, you know, the graveyard project being started. But it worked in here. It was good timing for it. It is done. It is an airless pump, and there's nothing else that comes out of it. Oh, I lied. There's like that little spritz that came out. That's about it. We'll rub that into my hands. My hands will be nice and soft. So yeah, that is done. So I am at a total of 5 empties in this project so far this year, and I'm very happy about that. And I am going to insert the screenshot of where I drew my next number. Okay, now that you see that I got number 39, that is Simon Says, which is your choice. I took that to mean that I could choose whatever I wanted to bring in. I hope that's what it meant and not your choice of picking from the other prompts. So because I just finished a moisturizer, I want to have another moisturizer to play with, but I didn't want to bring in a full-size one because I have some that are potentially coming up in other projects because of they were preset products, and I decided to go with these 2 foil samples from Avon. It's the Ceramide Source Skin Nourishing Cream. I happen to have 2 of the same ones, and I only had 2 of this particular variety, so I thought I'm going to throw these in. This should get me through a little bit. We'll have to see how far it gets me, but I do think this is going to enable me to have another empty and another roll-in for next month, which quite frankly, that is the fun of this type of project. So I can get 2 things used up really quickly, and I can also play again next month, which will make me very, very happy. So I hope you guys are okay with me bringing in 2 samples for this prompt, but I mean, it's my choice, right? So that's what I picked, and yeah, I get to play some more. I can't wait. I can't wait till next month when I have more empties and I get to draw more numbers. So anyway, I'm going to take my happy-go-lucky little self off because I got to go make dinner for my family. But definitely check out the other people that have joined in. They are going to be listed down below. Check out Jaylon because she's the one that created this absolute masterpiece. And if you want to join in, by all means, we would love to have you. There are, like I said, 40 prompts. It is in the Facebook group, PANtastic Ladies Collabs, and we would love to have you. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.